Hello from Slovenia again. I'm still playing with this Amsterdam Pearl paints and I will use it in a split cup today. I will use 5-chamber split cup pour from Paint Pour Store, and I will use Payne's Grey, Lucas Payne's Grey again, and Amsterdam Pearl Yellow, Pearl Green, Pearl Violet, Pearl Red, Pearl Blue, and my Pearl White mixture. And I will pour Prussian Payne's Grey in 3 chambers. Because I just thought that this could work nice, we will see. And in 1 chamber here I will go with the blue, Pearl Blue, Pearl Violet, and Pearl Red, and Pearl Blue again, Pearl Violet, and this will be it probably. And here I will go with Pearl Green and Pearl White and Pearl Yellow and Pearl Green again. Pearl Yellow, and of course this will be like magic because it will not work right away, you will not see the effects right away because they show when they are dry. Okay. So, let's start. I'm just thinking to just try to correct this part a little bit. Okay. Now I'm done. Maybe just this little dot here. So I will leave it to dry and take you for a close-up when you will see a magic. Here is the wet result. You don't see anything except white and blue. So the sides, because this is really deep edged canvas, sides needs to be nice too. So stay tuned for the dry result. There is no sun today, but anyway I went outside where you can see all the pearls. I think that pearl white wasn't the best idea, my pearl white mixture. Maybe I should use pearl from Amsterdam, but you can see all those pearls now. It's windy here, but I like it anyway. I like the composition, I like the pearls, so I'm happy. Have a nice one and see you on the next one.